Natural home remedies for bee stings. For most of us, a bee sting is simply a nuisance. You might experience temporary sharp pain, swelling, redness, warmth, and itching in the sting site, but no serious complications. If you are allergic to bees, or else you get stung multiple times, this could be more problematic. They even be existence-threatening. Unless of course you're allergic to bees or experiencing indications of a serious allergic attack, you are able to treat most bee stings in your own home. Baking soda. A paste made from baking soda and water might help neutralize bee venom to reduce pain, itching, and swelling. Use a thick layer of baking soda paste towards the affected area. Cover the paste having a bandage. Leave on not less than 15 minutes and reapply when needed. Apple cider vinegar. Vinegar also may help neutralize bee venom. Soak the sting site inside a basin of ACV not less than 15 minutes. You may also soak a bandage or cloth within the vinegar after put it on the sting site. Toothpaste. It's unclear why toothpaste might help bee stings. Many people declare that alkaline toothpaste neutralizes acidic honeybee venom. If true, however, toothpaste won't focus on alkaline wasp venom. In either case, toothpaste is definitely an affordable and simple home cure to test. Simply dab a little around the affected area.